Alexa, play Pantropico by Beanie.
Pantropico by Beanie from Angami.
Meet me for another affordable and aesthetic staycation in Metro Manila. As an introvert, laking pasasalamat ko talaga na naka-smart lock sila. Kaya very hassle-free ang pag-check-in ko sa unit ng MKDN Staycation. As you walk in, kitchen agad ang makikita nyo na kumpleto lahat sa amenities at utensils. And very thoughtful din ang host kasi may complimentary coffee, tea, and water na kayo. If you want some snacks, meron silang honesty store para hindi na kayo bumaba. Then here's their bathroom, may heater ng shower, bidet, and provided na rin nila ang towels at guest kits. May unlimited high-speed internet at air-conditioned ang buong unit. So you can watch Netflix and YouTube with a 55-inch smart TV comfortably. Moving on to the bedroom, they have this queen-size bed with really comfortable mattresses. Talagang they keep everything here clean and fresh. One of the best things I liked about this Airbnb is si Alexa. Alexa, play Pantropico by Beanie.
Pantropico by Beanie from Angami.
By the way, marami pa silang things dito like board games, books, and hair dryer. Talagang namang napakasulit ng staycation dito. If you want to swim, meron silang pool with additional 150 pesos per head. Super convenient din ang location kasi nasa baba lang ang K-Mall. May Alphamart, Starbucks, at marami pa. So if you're looking for an affordable pero sulit na staycation, book na kayo with MKDN Staycation.